Hello, hello. What are today's messages and what do we need to hear today? Let's pick some cards to start it off with, and then we'll end off with some quotes. Flower power number 20. Say it with flowers. Flowers symbolize hope, healing, and love, and they help you distress, brighten someone's day. Who will you be giving flowers to? Let's pick one of these today. Number 2, alert, intuition, growth spurt. You are currently experiencing a general increase in your intuitive ability or gaining access to a new psychic pathway. Just like physical growth spurts you experience in childhood, an intuition growth spurt may seem awkward or uncomfortable at first, but you'll soon adjust. Sensitivity exists on a spectrum, and yours has shifted. As old ways of looking at things are challenged, our worldview begins to stretch and expand. That which was previously considered to be impossible becomes possible, and eventually is experienced as a new dimension of reality. There's the capacity to look within ourselves, to examine our belief systems, ask questions, and seek new solutions. Take in everything life has to offer, the happy and the sad. Trust that you're always where you should be, and you are given the lessons you need to move forward. Humanity, step away from electronics. No cell phone, no video games, no nothing. Just be human. Water. Drink more water. Proper hydration calms your body. It also increases your intuition. Alrighty, let's pick some quotes out of here today. Become the work of the divine. Surrender to the path that's calling you. Allow the divine to create through you. Be a vessel for love and miracles. Affirmation: I allow divine miracles to flow through me. Love yourself a little extra right now. You're learning, healing, growing, and discovering yourself all at once. It's about to get magical for you. Say these every morning. I am always loved and supported. I believe in my ability to achieve anything. I am healthy and strong in every way. I am confident in my skills and gifts. I am grateful for each moment. Best advice ever. Get happy in any way you can. Yes, yes. And the last one today. Nature. Interact with nature in the outdoors, around animals, farmlands, or by the ocean. This will be good for the soul and healing for you. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.